Think about it. How many times have you wasted hours searching for that one document, or rummaging through your closet for that perfect outfit? How many times have you felt embarrassed when guests come over, or stressed out when you can't find that important email? Disorganization can also lead to missed deadlines, forgotten appointments, and lost opportunities. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to get more organized. I'm pretty sure there are everyday items in your space that are just crying out for some organization, otherwise you might not have clicked on this video. Our homes, workspaces, and digital files are often the most disorganized areas of our lives. Cluttered living rooms, messy desks, and overflowing inboxes can lead to feelings of anxiety, frustration, and exhaustion. Disorganization can also waste our time, energy, and money, making it harder to achieve our goals and enjoy our free time. But let's face it, getting organized can be overwhelming, and it's easy to put it off until tomorrow. However, the truth is that every day you delay, the more overwhelming it becomes. Clutter can also have a negative impact on our mental and physical health. It can lead to feelings of guilt, shame, and inadequacy, making us feel like we're not good enough. It can also affect our relationships, our work, and our overall well-being. But the good news is that it's not too late to make a change. So, if you're ready to take control of your space, reduce your stress levels, and boost your productivity, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. So, where do we start? Let's begin with our closets. Closets are one of the most cluttered areas of our homes, and it's easy to see why. They're often used as a dumping ground for clothes, shoes, and accessories that we no longer need or use. But a cluttered closet can make our mornings more stressful, waste our time, and even affect our self-esteem. The solution is to sort, purge, and organize our closets into functional and stylish spaces that make us feel good. We can start by taking everything out, sorting items into categories, and deciding what we want to keep, donate, or discard. Then we can use storage solutions like bins, shelves, and hooks to create a space that's easy to navigate and maintain. Oh, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to learn more about closet or wardrobe organization ideas, or others say tips. Next, let's talk about kitchen cabinets. Kitchen cabinets are often cluttered with unused gadgets, expired food, and mismatched dishes. This can make cooking and meal prep a nightmare, and even lead to food waste and unhealthy eating habits. The solution is to declutter, categorize, and organize our kitchen cabinets into functional spaces that make cooking and meal prep a breeze. We can start by purging unused items, categorizing similar items together, and using storage solutions like baskets, bins, and labels to create a space that's easy to use and maintain. Another area that often needs organizing is our digital inboxes. A cluttered inbox can lead to missed emails, forgotten appointments, and wasted time searching for important messages. The solution is to create a system for managing our emails, using filters, labels, and folders to categorize and prioritize our messages. So what's the most effective organizing strategy that can simplify our lives and lead to lasting change? The answer is the one-touch rule. This means that whenever we touch an item, we deal with it immediately. We either put it away, file it, or discard it, eliminating the need to handle it multiple times. The one-touch rule can be applied to all areas of our lives, from our email inboxes to our kitchen counters. It's a simple yet powerful strategy that can save us time, reduce stress, and increase our productivity. By implementing the one-touch rule and organizing our closets, kitchen cabinets, and digital files, we can create a more peaceful, productive, and organized life. We can reduce our stress levels, increase our energy, and enjoy more free time to do the things we love. So what are you waiting for? Take action now and start creating the organized life you deserve. Remember, every small step counts, and even the smallest change can make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below on your biggest organizing challenges. I'll see you in my next video on decluttering tips.